Here I have Google Pixel, and today I'm going to show you how to access developer options on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Settings, then go to the System section, then go to the About Phone. Here you have to find the line build number, which is the last one. Tap on it with your finger several times, and after that you will get the message, you are now a developer. And now you can find these developer options here in System section in the Advanced, and here they are. So here you can find all of these very interesting and useful developer options. You can also disable them here, and after that they will disappear from your settings list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.